Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Weebly to make a website. Weebly makes building a website incredibly straightforward, even if you have no prior experience. You begin by selecting a professional template that suits your vision, whether for a business or personal project. Then, you can easily register a new domain name directly through Weebly or connect one you already own. This initial setup takes just a few minutes, getting you ready to design your online presence. Once your foundation is set, it's time to personalize your site's appearance. Weebly's intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to place text, images, and videos exactly where you want them. You have full control over fonts, color schemes, and background designs to truly reflect your brand. Adding new pages and organizing them into a logical navigation menu is also simple, ensuring a smooth user experience for your visitors. Beyond basic design, Weebly empowers you to add powerful features. If you're selling products, you can integrate robust e-commerce tools to manage inventory and process payments seamlessly. Easily embed contact forms, interactive maps, and social media feeds to enhance engagement. Plus, Weebly includes built-in search engine optimization tools, helping your website rank higher and attract more visitors to your content or offerings. Before going live, always preview your website on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it looks perfect everywhere. Once you are satisfied, publishing your site is as simple as one click, making it instantly accessible to the world. After launch, Weebly provides a comprehensive dashboard where you can monitor site performance, track visitor analytics, and make informed decisions to continuously improve your online presence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.